Construction 16, circumcenter and circumcircle of a given triangle. Okay, so here I have a given triangle, and what I need to do is get the perpendicular bisector of two sides. So I'm going to start with this side, and to get the perpendicular bisector, if you remember, you open up your compass that it's more than halfway, and you make an arc at the top and an arc at the bottom. Okay, and you can do a full swing if you like, if it makes it easier. Take the point and don't move the distance of the compass. Go to the other vertex and make another arc on the top and the bottom. And where those two intersect at the top and where they intersect at the bottom are the 2 points we're going to join to make the perpendicular bisector of this side of the triangle. Okay, so I'm just going to make a nice big perpendicular bisector. Okay, so that's side one. Now pick another side and do the same. Now I find with this that the easiest thing to do is to actually move your page. Okay, so I'm going to do this side now. So get your compass, again a little over halfway, make an arc on the top and an arc on the bottom, and if you like you can just make one big arc. Put your point on the other side, make an arc on the top and an arc on the bottom, or one big arc, whatever you prefer, and where the arc intersects at the top and where the arcs intersect at the bottom are the 2 points we join to make the perpendicular bisector. And what you want to do here is you want to draw this long enough that it intersects with the other perpendicular bisector that you drew. Okay, so this is a perpendicular bisector, so let's clarify that means it will be perpendicular, and it's a bisector, so it has cut this side into 2 equal parts. Let's look at this one. It's a perpendicular, so we know that this is a right angle, and it's a bisector, so it has cut this line into 2 equal parts. Now what happens then is something very special. Where the 2 perpendicular bisectors intersect is called the circumcenter. So that is the center of the circle we're going to draw. So you put your point onto the circumcenter, so the intersection of those 2 points, and then you open up your compass and drag it until it meets one of the vertices of your triangle. Now if we've done this right, it should be the same distance from there to there as it is from there to this vertex, and it should be the same distance to that vertex. Okay, so it shouldn't matter which vertex you open up to. And hopefully then when you swing around, you should make a circle that goes around your triangle, and hopefully it should hit off all the vertices of your triangle. Okay, try and make that as dark as I can for you to see it. Okay, so you can see it has touched off this vertex, and this vertex. So that's very important. The circle must be touching all 3 vertices. Okay, so that's why it's called a circumcircle. Okay, a bit like circumnavigating the earth is to go all the way around the earth. Circumcircle goes all the way around a triangle. And then this point here is called the circumcenter. Okay, so this is called the circumcenter. Okay, so circumcenter. Okay, and then this is called the circumcircle. Okay.